Hello student, welcome to our official YouTube channel of Hasmukh Goswami College of Engineering. I am Professor Jay Bhatt from Mathematics Department. Today I will discuss the inverse of a matrix. How to find out inverse of a matrix of 3 cross 3 matrix. Okay, so we know that in previous lecture we have to discuss definition of A inverse. So formula of A inverse is 1 divided by determinant of A into adjoint of A if determinant is not equal to 0. Okay, so if determinant is 0, then we cannot find out inverse of that matrix. So first of all you have to find out determinant of that matrix. If determinant is not equal to 0, then you can find out A inverse by using this formula. Okay, so see first example, find A inverse for this 3 cross 3 matrix. Okay, so first we have to check that this matrix is invertible or not. Okay, so for this we have to find out determinant of A. So how to find out determinant of A? It is 2, 1, 5, minus 1, 0, 1, 3, 2 and 0. Okay, so we have to find out determinants. So you have to choose any row or any column, okay, which has maximum 0. So you have to take for example this second row. Okay, so first sign is positive, then this sign is negative, and here it is positive. So positive, negative, so it is minus of minus 1. Okay, so removing this row and this column, so we get 1, 5, 2 and 0. Okay, so this entry is complete. Now here it is 0, so 0 multiplied by any number is 0, so we cannot write down here. So plus minus, it is plus, and here it is also minus 1, so it is minus 1. So now removing this row and this column, so here we get 2, 1, 3 and 2. Okay, so minus into minus 1, so it is 2 cross 2 determinant, so 1 into 0, 0, minus 5 into 10, so it is 0 minus 10 minus 1 as it is 4 minus 3, so it is minus 10, and here 4 minus 3 is 1, so it is minus 1, so it is equal to minus 11, which is not equal to 0. So that means determinant of this matrix is minus 11, which is not equal to 0. Therefore this given matrix A is invertible matrix. So that means we can find out inverse of that matrix. Okay, so for this, to finding A inverse, we have to find out adjoint of A. Adjoint of A के लिए आपको find करना है minors and cofactor. So first we have to find out minor matrix of this matrix. Okay, so how to find out minor matrix? So minor matrix, its notation is Mij. Its elements are M11, M12, M13, M21, M22, M23, M31, M32 and M33. It is also 3 cross 3 matrix. Okay, now how to find out M11? M11 find करने के लिए आपको क्या करना है? Removing first row and first column, then remaining part is 0, 1, 2, 0. आपको इसका determinant find करना है. तो इसका determinant क्या होगा? It is 0 minus 2, so it is minus 2. So M11 equal to minus 2. Similarly, we have to find out M12. So removing first row and second column, so remaining entries are minus 1, 1, 3 and 0. So we have to find out determinant of that entries. So minus 1 into 0 is 0 and 3 into 1 is 3. So it is 0 minus 3. So answer is minus 3. Now M13, removing first row and third column, so it is minus 2 minus 0. So it is minus 2. Similarly M21, so removing second row and first column, so 1, 5, 2, 0, so it is 0 minus 10. 0 minus 10 is minus 10. Now M22, second row and second column को remove करना है, so we get 0 minus 15, so it is minus 15. Now M23, removing second row and third column, okay, so we get 2, 1, 3 and 2, so it is 4 minus 3. 4 minus 3 is 1. Okay, now M31, so removing third row and first column, so we get 1 minus 0, it is 1. M32, removing third row and second column, so it is 2, and minus plus, so it is plus 5, so it is 2 plus 5, that means 7. And M33, removing third row and third column, so it is 0 minus plus, so it is 0 plus 1, so answer is 1. So this matrix is called minor matrix. Now we have to find out cofactor matrix. How to find out cofactor matrix? Cofactor matrix, its notation is Cij and its elements are C11, C12, C13, C21, C22, C23, C31, C32 and C33. It is also 3 cross 3 matrix. How to find out Cij? So formula is Cij is equal to minus 1 raised to I plus j into Mij. It is for all I and j. Okay. So for example, we have to find out C11. What is the value of C11? So C11 is equal to C11, it is equal to minus 1 raised to I is equal to 1 and j is equal to 1. So minus 1 raised to 1 plus 1 and it is M11. So minus 1 raised to 1 plus 1, so it is square, so it is plus 1, so it is equal to M11. But what is the value of M11? M11 is equal to minus 2, so C11 is also minus 2. Similarly, if you have to find out C12, so here we get plus 2 and here it is 2. So what is minus 1 raised to 1 plus 2? That means minus 1 raised to 3. So it is minus 1. So it is minus and it is M12. But value of M12, it is equal to minus 3. So minus 3 and here it is minus. So minus minus plus. So it will be 3. Similarly, M13 is given and we have to find out C13. So C13 is equal to 1 plus 3 M13. So what we get? It is 3 plus 1 4. So minus 1 raised to even number is positive value. So we get M13. So but M13 is equal to minus 2. So here you have to write down minus 2. Now similarly C21 we have to find out. So C21 के लिए आपको क्या करना है? C21 I is equal to 2 and j is equal to 1. So it is 2 plus 1 and it is M21. So we get minus 1 raised to 3. It is negative value. So it is minus M21. So minus of M21, M21 की value है minus 10. So it is minus minus plus. So it will be plus 10. Similarly, you have to find out C22. C22 में यहाँ पे क्या आएगा? Minus 1 raised to 2 plus 2. That means 4. So it is positive value. And M22, M22 की value है minus 15. So you have to write down minus 15. Similarly, we have to find out C23. C23 के लिए यहाँ पे आएगा minus 1 raised to 2 plus 3. That is 5. So it is minus 1 raised to 5. It is negative. So it is minus of C23. M23, minus of M23, but M23 is 1, so it will be minus 1. Similarly, we have to find out C31. How to find out C31? So C31, it is minus 1 raised to 3 plus 1, it is M31. But 3 plus 1 is 4, so it is equal to M31. M31 की value है 1, so it will be 1. Similarly, M32, M32 के लिए यहाँ पे क्या आएगा? 3 plus 2 and M32. So minus 1 raised to 5 is minus and it is M32, but M32 की value है 7 और यहाँ पे minus है, so it will be minus 7. And similarly last one is M3. We have to find out C33 by using M33. So C33 it is minus 1 raised to 3 plus 3, that means 6, so it is positive value, and it is M33. M33 की value है 1, so you have to write down 1 here. So this matrix is called cofactor matrix. Okay. So after finding cofactor matrix, now we have to find out adjoint of A. How to find out adjoint of A? Adjoint of A is equal to adjoint of A. It is equal to Cij matrix, that means cofactor matrix जो हमने फाइंड किया है यहाँ पे, उसका आपको क्या करना है? ट्रांसपोज. That means you have to interchange row and column. So we get minus 2, 3, minus 2, 10. Minus 15, minus 1, 1, minus 7 and 1. This matrix is called adjoint of that given matrix A. Okay. Now we have to find out A inverse. A inverse is equal to 1 divided by determinant of A into adjoint of A. Okay. Substitute all this value. 1 divided by determinant of A. What is the value of determinant of A? It is a minus 11. Okay. We have to find out here. So now value of adjoint of A, it is minus 2, 10, 1, 3, minus 15, minus 7, minus 2, minus 1 and 1. Okay. Now you have to divide all elements by minus 11. So it is minus 2 divided by minus 11. It is 2 by 11. Similarly 10 by minus 11 is minus 10 by 11. So 1 minus 1 by 11. Here 3 divided by minus 11. So it is minus 3 by 11. Now here it is 15 by 11. Here it is 7 by 11. Now minus 2 divided by minus 11 is 2 by 11. Minus 1 divided by minus 11, 1 by 11, and here it is minus 1 divided by 11. It is 3 cross 3 matrix. So this is the answer. Okay, this is the inverse of given matrix A. Okay, now see another example. Example number 2. Example number 2. Find A inverse of A is equal to 1 0 1 minus 1 0 minus 1 and 0 1 0. This 3 cross 3 matrix is given if possible. Okay, question is find A inverse of that matrix if it is possible. So for this, first of all we have to check that this matrix is invertible or not. Okay, so for this we have to find out in डिटर्मिनेंट ऑफ दैट मैट्रिक्स. सो डिटर्मिनेंट फाइंड करने के लिए आप कोई भी रो या कॉलम ले सकते हो जिसमें मैक्सिमम 0 हो, आपको वो ट्राई करना है. फॉर एग्जांपल वी हैव टू चूज दिस थर्ड रो. ओके, सो दिस वैल्यू इज पॉजिटिव, दिस वैल्यू इज नेगेटिव एंड दिस वैल्यू इज पॉजिटिव, दिस इज नेगेटिव एंड दिस इज पॉजिटिव. सो 0 को आपको लिखना नहीं है बिकॉज दिस एंट्री इज 0. सो पॉजिटिव नेगेटिव एंड नेगेटिव. सो यू हैव टू राइट डाउन -1 फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल. Now removing this row and this column, so remaining entries are 1 1 minus 1 minus 1. So what we get? It is -1. Now here it is -1 and here minus minus plus, so this +1. So -1 plus 1 is 0. So answer is 0. That means determinant of this matrix is 0. Therefore matrix A is not invertible. इन्वर्टिबल मैट्रिक्स नहीं है. सो दैट मींस वी कैन नॉट फाइंड आउट ए इनवर्स. तो आपको एडजॉइंट ऑफ ए, माइनर, कोफैक्टर कुछ भी फाइंड करने की जरूरत नहीं है. दैट इज योर आंसर. ओके, नाउ वन मोर एग्जांपल. एग्जांपल नंबर 3. एग्जांपल 3. फाइंड ए इनवर्स फॉर A is equal to 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 1 and 1. This matrix is given and we have to find out its inverse. So first of all we have to find out its determinant. So determinant के लिए suppose we have to take first row. So 0 multiplied by any number is 0. So we cannot write down here. So it is positive and here it is negative. So it is -1. So remaining entry, removing first row and second column. So we get 1 1 1 and 0. Now positive, negative and here again positive. So it is +1. Now removing this row and column. So it is 1 0 1 and 1. So it is -1 and here we get 0 -1. So it is -1. It is +1. So it is 1 minus 0. It is 1. So it is minus minus plus. So it is 1 and plus 1. So it is equal to 2, which is not equal to 0. That means given matrix A is invertible. So that means we can find out its inverse. Okay. So inverse find करने के लिए आपको पहले आपको find करना है Mij. That means minor matrix. Mij. It is also 3 cross 3 matrix. Elements are M11, M12, M13, M21, M22, M23, M31, M32, M33. Okay. This matrix is called minor matrix. Okay, so we have to find out M11. M11 के लिए आपको क्या करना है? Removing first row and first column. So remaining entry का आपको determinant. So it is 0 -1. So it is -1. M12 removing first row second column. Okay, so removing first row and second column. So it is 0 -1. So it is -1. M13 removing first row and third column. So it is 1 minus 0 is 1. Now M21 removing second row and first column. So we get 0 -1. So it is -1. M22 second row second column को remove करना है. So 0 -1 it is -1. M23 second row और third column को minus करना है. So it is 0 -1 it is -1. M31 third row और first column को remove करना है. So it is 1 minus 0 it is 1. M32 थर्ड रो और सेकेंड कॉलम को रिमूव करना है. सो इट इज 0 -1. so it is -1 and M33 थर्ड रो और थर्ड कॉलम को माइनस करना है, so रिमूव करना है, so it is 0 -1, it is -1. So this matrix is called minor matrix of this matrix. Now we have to find out cofactor matrix, okay, C11, C12 and so on. So cofactor matrix, it is Cij. Its elements are C11, C12, C13, C21, C22, C23, C31, C32 and C33, 3x3 matrix. Okay, so formula है आपके पास Cij is equal to -1 raised to I plus j. It is Mij for all I and j. Okay, so we have to find out value of C11. C11 की वैल्यू क्या आएगी यहाँ पे 1 है तो -1 plus 1 it is 2, so it is a positive value and it is M11 की वैल्यू क्या है -1, so here we get -1. Okay, similarly C12 के लिए यहाँ पे 1 plus 2 that means नेगेटिव वैल्यू आएगी. Okay, and M12 की वैल्यू है -1, so -1 and minus, so it will be +1. Then C13 1 plus 3 it is 4, so it is a positive value and this value 1, so it is 1. Similarly C21 2 plus 1 is 3, negative value आएगी and here it is M21, so negative value into -1, so it is a positive value 1. Okay, similarly C22, so it is 2 plus 2 positive value and M22, so it is -1 as it is. Now C23 2 plus 3 it is a 5, so minus of M23, so it is minus plus, so it is 1. Now C31 3 plus 1 is positive, so it is M31, so it is 1. Now C32 3 plus 2 it is a 5, so minus of this value, so it will be 1. Now last one is C33 3 plus 3 6 positive value into M33, so it is -1, so it is 3x3 matrix. So this matrix is called cofactor matrix. Now we have to find out adjoint of A. Adjoint of A it is equal to Cij and its transpose. इस मैट्रिक्स का आपको ट्रांसपोज करना है, that means interchange row and column. So it is -1 1 1 1 -1 1 1 1 -1. So this matrix is called adjoint of the given matrix. Okay, now we have to find out inverse. Inverse की फॉर्मूला है आपके पास A inverse is equal to 1 divided by determinant of A into adjoint of A. So determinant की वैल्यू क्या है, it is 2, so it is 1/2. Now adjoint of A की वैल्यू -1 1 1 1 -1 1 1 1 -1, it is 3x3 matrix. Okay, now all elements divided by 2, so we get -1/2 1/2 1/2 1/2 -1/2 1/2 1/2 1/2 and -1/2. Okay, so this is the answer of the given matrix A. Okay, that is your answer. Okay, so if any doubt, so please comment it. Okay, if you like this video, please like it, share it, and don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel Hasmukh Goswami College of Engineering. Thank you.